Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to change background color. To change background color, you can go to Tools menu and click Application option. To be sure for Application option dialog box and then click on Color tabs. In there you can see in Canvas color schemes we have a lot of options, like you can set into dark for the backgrounds, deep blue, forest or the others, or you can use customize. You can click this button customize scheme, and then like I will click in the dark. You can change the color by clicking in here for backgrounds and change color after this button. You can click and you can change the color. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it, how to change background color in Inventor. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.